How to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can cancel order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you made an order on Uber Eats and then you would like to cancel it, all you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application, and then make sure that you're basically signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where what you need to do is just tap the account option that you can find from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right, you'll be able to come to the orders tab that you can find here. So now just tap the orders button, and then you'll be able to see the order that you've made. So now all you have to do is simply go ahead and then make sure to select that order, and then you'll be able to find the option to cancel that order. This way you'll be able to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.